In a rain-soaked alley, a tiny raccoon cub huddled under a toppled trash can, eyes bright with fear. A local responder named Mina improvised a cradle from a shoebox, speaking softly as she coaxed it with calm hands. As the night flood rose, rescuers carried the fragile bundle through muddy streets, sharing small jokes to steady their nerves. A volunteer remembered the cub peeking out, feeling hope rise, while a neighbor whispered that every creature deserves a second chance. The cub healed, joined a wildlife rehab, and soon became a gentle symbol of kindness for the community.